Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download or install the Division Resurgence app on your Android phones. So here follow the steps. So open Play Store, tap on search for the Division Resurgence and then tap on it. And here you can see the install button. So tap on install and just wait for the Division Resurgence app to get installed on your Android devices. So please wait. Just wait, you can see that the Division Resurgence game is getting installed on my Android device. And then here you will see the play button. So tap on play button. This will launch the Division Resurgence app. Now confirm the terms and condition. Just wait. Now here you will see the resource version update. The latest resource update is required. Do you want to download it now? Resource size is 1843 MB. So tap on download button to download it. And once this download get complete, then you can go ahead and play the game on your Android phones. So by following these steps, you can easily download and install the Division Resurgence app on your Android devices and play the game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.